What's up guys? Good morning. I'm Vince and I'm driving for this one. Mag-hi ka?
Ayok!
I miss you.
Bayad po yan. Sorry po.
Hi! So,
Video naman yan.
this is Michelle D. Sabi niya sa akin, casual outfit dapat today. Ready ka na ba?
Ano, wag mo kong i-zoom in, Vince.
Wait.
Joke. Oh my God! No, don't do that. Hindi ako pang gandang zoom in. Alam niyo naman yan, guys. Pero dahil naka G7X tayo, baka mapansin ng Canon.
We're going to the Oishi event in Alabang and what do we have to do there?
Magkakape.
Kape lang.
Hindi! Mag-a-attend tayo ng event. Ano ba?
You know what? They sent me
Bakit iba? Bakit iba?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Kaya pala.
Anong iba?
Kanya kasi dapat o. Para fresh.
Sinira mo yung momentum ni Vince.
Yan. O,
No.
tuloy mo na. Tuloy mo na.
Wala na. Kumusta naman, Ronan? Saan ka galing?
Chill lang.
Diyan lang.
Siyang pa.
Maginit Jackson.
Oo nga, Ma'am Shi.
Wait. Can you hold this one? This is start for you. Engine.
Diba? Nakikita, ito po ang isang tunay na refleksyon ng synonyms. Magkakambal. Diba magkamukha po kami? Oh! Kulang lang po ako ng isang paligo.
Ayan, dito na tayo sa Festival Supermall. Let's go. Ready ka na? Tignan mo, casual, naka-heels. Let's go. May isa pang vlogger. Shit. Let's go!
Ako na hindi na ako magdadala ng camera.
Kailangan mo yun.
Ba't hindi ka mag-vlog?
Cellphone ko ang gagamitin ko. Bakit? Ang pangit kasi na tatlo tayong lahat may ganito.
Para mas in.
Mas in. It's
na.
pauso. I think I've been here before. Di lang ako sure. Check natin yung casual outfit ni Michelle D.
More exposure, more fun, di ba?
Naka-heels pa, casual. Very...
Ito ang casual for me, okay?
Versus, she told me how many times na dapat casual lang. Tapos naka-heels siya.
Casual, I'm not very cute.
What's that? Ay. So what now? Who's your contact with the special invite?
Patricia.
Patricia.
Oh, Patricia Churva. Ewan ko.
Alam mo, Michelle, marami akong memories on the escalator with family. So we just arrived and marami palang tao dito. Hello. Bakit kayo andito? Anong meron? For who?
For Michelle D.
Asan si Michelle D? Ay, wait lang. Yun. Mag-hi kayo. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Vince. Kumusta? Dahil sa gulo, I lost Michelle and Ronan. Mag-hi kayo. So we're going to look now. Hi! Dito pala sila.
Uy, hello!
I lost you guys.
We lost you.
Yeah. They just left me. Ronan, you left me.
Yeah, alam mo bakit? Sinusugod nila kami.
Who is this one?
Hello!
Hello! You're also vlogging here.
Yeah!
Kamusta?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. Last time I saw her and the first time I met her was on Janina Erdibus.
Yeah.
Ito? Tatry ko to. Nasa-stress ka ba?
Oo. Aksang init.
Thank you.
Gagawin natin.
May ice cream pala.
Ice cream? Yan. Thank you. Oh, yun. Try natin yung mix natin.
Kasi magsusuot na yun ang mascot, tapos makakatch kayo.
Ay, yung buong piece. Astig.
Ang cute niya!
Ay! Gusto ko yan. Try natin yan. Yeah.
Okay,
who has most. Oh, masaya ba?
Of course!
What did you get?
Ako kaya!
Sino ang nanalo?
Me!
Me! Ah! Thank you!
Toronto!
Oh yeah? That's what you like, yo? So now we're going to exit and we're waiting because there's a big crowd and we cannot leave like this, yo. Bye-bye! 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 See you! We're now on our way out. Medyo magulo. Yes. Bye! Hoy, Michelle D. and Ronan Domingo. Naiwan niyo ako.
Oo nga, ano bang ginagawa mo kasi kanina?
Oh. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Sabihin mo magsadot.
Ayan, guys. Sarut! Ronan, sarut! Sarut! So if you enjoyed this video, guys, like, share, and subscribe! See you guys next time. Goodbye. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay, okay, now. Thank you. Okay, okay. Go, 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 go. Sige, bye-bye. My goodness, asan na ba sila?